It's been a while that we didn't talk about Tecware Chassis. At the same time, of course, medyo matagal-tagal na rin tayong hindi nakahawak ng ganitong klase ng case, cube type. Then, the last time I checked is I think 3 years ago pa no nag-release si Tecware ng Tecware Quad version 1. So, i-check natin to. How does it look in terms of physical aesthetics? At the same time, of course, put some components sa loob para at least magkaroon tayo ng visualization kung anong magiging forma niya, especially in terms of cable management as well, since yan yung isa sa mga parang nagiging concern ng marami. How does it look pag meron ng mga kable? How does you route those cables to make it look bit pleasing? Dahil nga, both sides are tempered. And syempre, I will be also featuring our mabilisang build with my friend Carl. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. This video is brought to you by SCDKey, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. And there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro, and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. That's it mga kaibigan. Check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website. Alright, so looking at the front panel of the case, makikita nyo na meron siyang kakaibang pattern. It's like a dispersing effect na medyo may pagka-digital looks yung kanyang mga cutouts. So it's not the regular hexagon shape or regular circle shape ng isang mesh chassis. Square siya, tapos nagdi-disperse siya going to the left. And then, same with the top panel. So, yan yung makikita nyo at ma-appreciate ng most of the gamers or even sino mang mahilig sa digital gadgets or into tech. Talagang ma-appreciate mo yan. It comes with this feeling na pag tinititigan mo siya, nakaka-sophisticated yung pakiramdam. So, it's really very good that Tecware brand was able to bring this on the table. And syempre, given na Tecware, medyo may kamurahan compared sa mga regular na mainstream brands. So you can just avail this at a more or less 3,500. At the same time, yung materials na ginamit are all steel. Diba? Kapal. Pag ginaganito mo siya, maririnig mo na makapal yung chassis. Hindi siya na-flex. Hindi siya ganun kadaling i-flex. Ganda. So, yan yung kanyang top panel. And then, syempre, meron din siyang dust filter. At the same time, sa front, which is commonly nawawala yung mga dust filter ng mga ibang chassis pagdating sa harap. Eto, hindi nila nakalimutan. At the price of 3,500, it's not anymore kind of budget chassis pagdating sa Tecware. Ang budget chassis sa Tecware, nasa around 1,000 to 2,000. So, 3,500 is already a premium, though comparing to other brands, that's just a budget price compared to Cooler Master, NZXT, or Corsair. And both sides are tempered glass. It's a 3mm tempered. I think it's even 4. And yes, ayun. Grabe ang kapal. So, look. Meron din siyang rubber grommets sa loob sa kanyang mga cutouts kung saan mo i-route yung cable. Meron siyang included na 200mm fan sa harap, non-LED, and then 120mm fan sa likod. So it's okay. It's fine. At least merong included. Kung wala ka pang budget pambili ng fan, at least hindi ka mauobliga na bumili ka agad. And of course, yung kanyang HDD cage is compatible for 1, 2, 3, 4. 3.5 hard drives, and then dito sa kanyang base, kung bakit merong mga butas dyan na 4, it is also the mounting part for the SSD. And then pagdating sa kanyang power supply compatibility, it's compatible for up to 200mm length of power supply. And hindi siya hassle kahit na non-modular yung power supply na gagamitin mo. Especially that's given already na pag ito yung chassis mo, isang gagamitin mo, pwedeng budget power supplies lang din. So of course, if you want to have a high rating power supply at a better pricing, of course, you will settle down with the non-modular variants. And then dito sa kanyang PCI covers, removable po siya, hindi po siya soldered. In addition, sa ilalim meron din siyang magnetic dust filter for the power supply. And then dito naman sa top meron siyang power button, reset button, audio jack, and 3.0 ports. So meron siyang dalawa. Wala na pong USB 2.0. Kumbaga, only 3.0 compatible po ang case na to. So what we did is, of course, since nag-drop by yung kaibigan ko si Sir Carl, naglagay kami ng mga components. It's a single rod 120mm dito sa likod. What we thought is yung struggle ng ibang mga budget chassis na compatible siya for 120mm rod, pero pag naglagay ka na talaga ng AIO, hindi na siya compatible. With this, wala naman naging problema, walang issue. Of course, you can also mount 240mm radiator din dito sa kanyang top. And then for the video card, of course, we settled down with a single fan video card, pero you can manage to install up to 315mm video cards. Then for the motherboard, sa micro ATX 4-slot motherboard, wala ring issue, hindi siya mahirap install. Lastly is cable management. Well, hindi na kami nahirapan pagdating sa cable management, so it's a very spacious area. So with car, we really find ways na wala kaming makikitang mga kable. Kaya halos wala akong masabi regarding this case in terms of cable management, in terms of build, and in terms of physical attributes or aesthetics. It's just a bit subjective siguro kung hindi nyo trip yung mga square-square na mesh. Pero depende na lang yun sa panlasa ng isang tumitingin. And siguro kung meron lang akong bagay na gustong idagdag, meron kasi kaming gustong gawin na parang gusto namin maglagay ng LED dito sa harap. So it's better siguro kung meron sanang butas dito sa may harap. That will give possibility sa mga user na mag-route ng kable pag nag-install sila ng LED dito sa harap. Maganda kasi tingnan kung merong LED dito sa harap eh. Pwedeng mag-install ka ng LED para yung dispersing effect nitong front panel is mas maa-appreciate pa. Pero kung hindi mo magagawa yon, of course, you can just replace this fan with a 200mm na RGB fans. Those are not downside of this case. Parang kumbaga, it's just optional thing na siguro dahil hindi na pagbigyan yung gusto namin gawin. Yung kasi yung gusto namin gawin that time. Basta ang masasabi ko dito, eto na yata yung pinakamakapal ang metal na case na encounter ko sa Tecware. At the same time, yung talagang nakaramdam ako na, wow, I think I should have this case. Parang ganun. With regards with Tecware Quad version 2 compared sa Tecware Quad version 1, sobrang layo. Maybe the price is a bit higher din dahil nasa 3,500 and 2,000 more or less lang yung dati. Pero given na sobrang dami nilang in-improve yung pagiging modern or sophisticated look, at the same time yung build makapal, both tempered glass, both panels, you can have the freedom to check. Kung gusto mong mas nakikita yung video card mo, you can position the case like this. Then kung gusto mo naman na yung power supply, you can position the case like that. So ayun na po mga kaibigan ng ating mabilisang physical review of this Tecware Quad version 2. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe.